Hello and welcome. It's Melissa here, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. Well, another year has come and gone, and it's time for us to say farewell to Christmas. One way for me to get through the winter blahs is to create some home decor that is not only warm and inviting, but also fits to the season. So come and join me while I show you 8 simple steps that you can use to create some winter ambiance in your own home. So let's check it out. So the first step of any good winter decorating is to get rid of any Christmas decorations or anything that really looks Christmassy. So some pretty obvious things that I usually take down is, well, for starters, my Christmas trees and any bells, anything that really to me is you only see when it's Christmas time. Now these trees in particular, yes, they look very winter-esque, but I always feel like an evergreen tree is really the representation of Christmas. And so I remove anything. And now that takes me to step 2, and that is to add back in that regular decor. So what are those things that you usually have up throughout the year? So this, for example, my front door, well, we're going to put that on in between seasons. These areas, my corners, are also the areas that I had my Christmas trees, and I had to rearrange some furniture to place my desks, etc. But now we have everything back, which takes us to step 3. And well, I know I just took a wreath down, but I'm adding more. For me, a wreath that really doesn't have those little bulbs, etc., it really looks like you went in your backyard and you made it yourself with that evergreen branches. That to me is the wreath that you should use that really bring that winter feel. And now another step is, hey, keep the garland up. So again, if your garland isn't full of Christmas bulbs and ribbons, you're probably going to have just the look of the evergreen branches. And if you are like me, more than likely your garland has some lights to it. And when it comes to winter, our evenings get dark really quick. And this really helps to keep that bright ambiance in your home to help it keep warm and cozy. And that brings me to step 5, and that is to really add those evergreen stems. And you can be really creative in this way. And so I like to place those stems basically where I would probably more than likely have flowers during other seasonal decor, but trust me, there is always a flower for every season. But I don't just incorporate it into vases or containers, and I like to be a little bit more creative, and I can add it on my wall. Sometimes I will take the whole stem, that little bundle, and I will place them upside down and hang them off things like these picture frames. And it really just adds that extra layer that really shows what season it is. And then you can take it a little bit further and grab pieces of those stems and place them in basically anywhere as a representation for winter. And so I like to place them basically where do I have those vignettes of little decor, and you can throw a stem in there. And step 6, well, I just had to throw this in because I love tablescapes. Who doesn't? And any excuse to create a tablescape works for me. I don't really need much of an excuse. Now, this represents winter, not necessarily Christmas, because I'm really just incorporating those stems to show that evergreen. I do have plates that have a little bit more of that winter theme, but then I went with plaid, and to me, plaid screams winter. And step 7, bring in those cozy pillows. When it comes to winter, we love to be cozy. Well, I love to be cozy. It doesn't matter what season, but winter is the best way to bring in those extra layers. And by building that in and incorporating that, you're really not only showing visual interest, you're adding that depth. You're also able to add colors that you would like to use in your house. And you can also use patterns like I did in this plaid. And step 8, well, I just had to do this. Treat yourself. Have you ever noticed basically the day after Christmas, I mean, even the day before Christmas, everything that is considered Christmas decor goes about, 90% off because they want it out the door. And this is where you get to pick up things that really for you might represent winter, but they can also be incorporated into your home decor for months down the road. So I hope that you are able to utilize these steps to help create a winter ambiance in your own home and create that decor that's going to make your heart sing. Thanks for watching.